The National Standards Authority of Ireland provides a range of services, enabling businesses to demonstrate compliance with international standards. In the context of the EU Ecolabel, NSAI plays a key role as we are the designated competent body for the scheme in Ireland. This means that we're responsible for managing the EU Ecolabel scheme at a national level, and NSAI is the only body in Ireland that can award the EU Ecolabel to qualifying products and services.
Derrycourt cleaning specialists wanted to get EU Ecolabel in order to pit ourselves against the best in class. Sustainability is a core value of our company, and we really wanted to get the EU Ecolabel as it was a perfect fit for us.
Sustainability is big on the agenda for all of our clients at present. Everybody is at different stages of their journey. Derrycourt being the first company in Ireland having this gives comfort to our clients that they're picking the right partner and that we are making huge efforts in sustainability, which they can also latch on to for their benefit.
Well, Derrycourt Cleaning Specialists is one of a small but growing number of Irish-based licence holders. It's important to their business to have the EU Ecolabel as it provides confidence to their clients, and it's an endorsement of the EU Ecolabel considering EU directives around green claims.
My message to other businesses is don't be afraid. It certainly was a challenge, it required a leadership, but it has helped us to stand out and again be best in class.